What's up, guys? Welcome back. World Cup is upon us. Let's draw Lamine Yamal in Spanish jersey. So I'm on the landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Smiling with the braces and his sort of new World Cup haircut kind of thing. So let's go. Very thin, smiling eyes. So we'll go across. Kind of a curved line, just going down that way. And they're very dark because of all the eyelashes, right? So it's just a very sort of heavy line there. And we get like his tear duct just in here. And again, real thin eyes because he's smiling. Big smile. And then the tear duct just like goes up that way. And then we'll put his iris and pupil just in here. Now, if you want, you can just color the eye all black and just put a white highlight if you want, because it's very difficult to see. But for me, we'll go put his pupil just here, maybe. But again, if you want, you could just do the whole thing black. Right, so we have top eyelid line. And then some bags underneath his eyes. He is smiling, so there's some like smile lines back here. And then we get like the bridge of his nose. Right, so above there then, big eyebrows, like real big eyebrows on Lamine Yamal. I'll go over to the other eye. So again, very thin. Right. And then his tear duct here. We'll go for a thick eyelash sort of area there. We get the tear duct in there again. And then we go for his iris. And the pupil. Bum, bum. You might have some eyelashes on the bottom part as well, just like dotted in there. Not much though. And then we got another eyelid line. Then his nose, bridge of his nose is kind of wide. It kind of flips out here. And then we go eyebrow. Very big eyebrows. Right, so nostrils, pretty close to his eyes, kind of wide, just here. Just underneath the tear ducts, really. And then the holes of the nose, so just underneath. We go relatively dark. And then he's got like a little line just under here as well. So like the tip of his nose just coming around this way, sort of. He's got a big smile and braces, right? So say like, we'll start say here, kind of underneath his pupils, right? Yeah, like there. Really big. Bigger than you'd think even. And then we'll go across for the top lip, right? Kind of dips in the middle. And back the other side. And then the bottom lip. And then it's kind of dark in the corners. So dark shadow in here. And then we start to get like teeth, right? And the dentures. So like little spikes at the top of each tooth, you know, just helps it look like teeth, really. So to draw dentures, so they're kind of, you could do just black, but his seem to be like kind of shiny white things. So we'll do like a little sort of box on each tooth, right, with a dot in the middle, because that's normally how they're represented. So like a little, it's like a little Japanese flag. Right, and then they're kind of tied together with like a metal line. Dentures, these braces are crazy, aren't they? If you think about it, they're like tightening your teeth, isn't it? Like stretching them out or something. So, big smile like that. And then his top lip, like a stretched out sort of letter M. And then his bottom lip just carving around here. Right, so you got big smile lines kind of coming around his cheeks. Like his chin and stuff. All right, and then big chin down here. His jaw coming out this way. And up the side of his face. And then just above this, then we have his like sideburn. It's kind of shaved, but his ear comes out from it. And down around like that. So a V, and then the ear coming out there. And then the ear lines inside. Right, so then real curly hair, but at the side it's kind of like straight, right? But the curls start like coming down. It's like real long on top. And then we get sort of just normal sort of curly hair here. And then really long portions, like on the fringe. Right, so like real long. Real long sections here. Okay, and then coming down this side as well. Some lines just on his forehead. And then it's all curly, just all around the back of it then. Looks like there's a part in the middle this time. Okay. Very strong neck on Lamine Yamal, so very wide, sort of like this. And the neck muscles just in here. And like his Adam's apple is there. And then in this picture, he's folding his arms, so it like crinkles up his jersey a little bit. So it's like his trapezius goes that way. And then his shirt collar comes around this way. Then around there. And then this bumpy sort of jersey just going down this way. So the Spanish jersey, it's like red, yellow, and navy. So this is navy, and then there's navy going down here. So it goes blue first. So this line like bumps down there. Then it's red, then blue, then yellow, then blue, then red. So it's got lots of these. They kind of are in behind one another a little bit. The blue line is very thin. Thin blue line. So that's yellow, and then you can just see like a little bit of blue in behind there. Like 4 lines just on his top. And then we'll do the same thing over here. So just wavy, repeating wavy lines. Some of them are very thin. Some of them disappear in behind. The other one's like, so that disappears in behind that one. And then 4 lines. Of course, you can just do them straight. It's easier. It's not the end of the world. And we can like see a little bit of the yellow Adidas sign. I've moved it up a little bit just so we can make it out. And then some of the Spanish crest. And I think like the lines are divided in the jersey, is that right? So there's like little yellow lines on the red. He's got like some freckles or stuff on his face as well. Okay, World Cup Lamine Yamal. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.